There were nights I couldn't stand my own reflection, broken pieces running low on hope. Every road felt like a dead-end direction. Every breath was just me learning how to cope. Then you walked in, soft as a sunrise, didn't judge.